Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Hi guys, we're so happy you're here with us again.
Today's topic is very important. We are talking about how to keep a conversation going.
Yes, many learners can start a conversation, but then they stop. Silence comes.
Exactly. You say hello, maybe how are you, and then your mind goes blank.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone. You are not alone.
Today we will help you. We will give you easy phrases, simple tricks, and real examples.
And remember, learning English is practice. You are improving already.
If you enjoy this podcast, don't forget to like and follow us.
All right, let's start learning. Part 1. Ask simple questions.
First tip, ask simple questions.
Yes, questions help the conversation continue.
For example, how was your day?
Or, what are you doing today? Let's practice.
Listen.
How was your day?
Now you say it.
Pause. Say it again.
Good job. One more time. How was your day?
Great. Very easy, right? Part 2. Show interest.
Second tip, show interest. Yes, don't just listen, react.
You can say, oh, really? That's nice. Wow.
Example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
You can reply, oh, nice. I like bananas too. Let's practice. Listen. Oh, nice. I like bananas too. Now you say it.
Again, slowly. Oh, nice. I like bananas too.
Perfect. You sound natural. Part 3. Ask follow-up questions.
Next tip, ask follow-up questions.
Yes, this is very important.
If someone says, I watched a movie,
Don't stop there. Ask more.
you can ask, what movie? Was it good? Who was in it?
Let's practice. Listen. What movie did you watch? Your turn. Again. What movie did you watch?
Very good. Keep going.
Part 4. Share something about yourself. Next tip. Share something about yourself.
Conversation is not only questions. You also speak.
Example. I like tea.
You can add, I like tea. I drink it every morning.
Let's practice. Listen. I drink tea every morning. Now you say it. Again. I drink tea every morning.
Nice, simple, and clear.
Part 5. Use simple connectors.
Next tip, use simple connectors.
Words like and, but, because.
Example, I like coffee because it gives me energy.
Or, I want to go out, but I am tired. Let's practice. Listen. I am tired, but I will study. Now you say it. Again. I am tired, but I will study.
Great job, you're improving.
Part 6. Use daily topics.
Next tip, talk about daily life. Easy topics are best.
For example, food, work, weather, plans.
Example conversation, how's the weather?
It's very hot today.
Yeah, I feel tired in this heat.
Let's practice. Listen. It's very hot today. Your turn. Again. It's very hot today.
Nice and natural.
Part 7. Use really technique.
Here's a powerful trick.
The really technique.
If someone says something, you say, really?
Then ask a question.
Example, I got a new job.
Really? What job? Let's practice. Listen. Really? What job? Now you say it. Again. Really? What job?
Very good, easy and useful.
Part 8. Repeat and extend.
Next tip, repeat and extend. Repeat part of the sentence, then add more.
Example. I like pizza.
You like pizza? Me too. I love cheese pizza.
Let's practice. Listen. Me too. I love it. Now you say it. Again. Me too. I love it.
Great, you sound confident.
Part 9. Keep it simple.
Important reminder, keep it simple.
You don't need big words.
Short sentences are okay.
Example. I am busy today.
I have work.
I will call you later. Let's practice. Listen. I will call you later. Perfect. Part 10. Don't fear silence. Last tip. Don't be afraid of silence.
It's okay to pause.
Think, then speak.
You can say, let me think.
Or, that's a good question. Let's practice. Listen. Let me think. Now you say it. Again. Let me think.
Excellent, you are doing great.
Part 11. Use what about you? Now let's learn a very useful phrase.
Yes, this phrase is, what about you?
This helps you continue the conversation easily.
Example, I like coffee in the morning. What about you?
Now the other person will speak.
Let's practice. Listen. What about you?
Now you say it.
Again. What about you?
Good job. Very natural. Part 13. Use small details.
Next tip, talk about your daily routine.
People like simple daily topics.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go for a walk.
I eat a light breakfast.
Let's make a small conversation. I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 8 a.m. I feel sleepy in the morning.
Let's practice. Listen. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you say it.
Again. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Keep going.
Part 13. Give small details. Next tip. Give small details.
Don't say only one sentence. Add a little more.
Example. I watched a movie.
Better. I watched a movie last night. It was very funny.
Let's practice. Listen. It was very funny.
Now you say it.
Again. It was very funny.
Great. Small details make big difference. Part 14. Use then and after that. Next tip. Use time words.
Like then.
After that. Example. I finished my work. Then I watched TV.
After that, I went to sleep.
Let's practice. Listen. Then I watched TV.
Now you say it. Again. Then I watched TV.
Very good.
Part 15. Agree and disagree politely. Next tip. Agree and disagree.
Be polite.
To agree, say, yes, I agree.
Me too.
To disagree, say, I don't think so.
Maybe, but
Example. I like cold weather.
me too. I love winter.
Or, I like cold weather.
Maybe, but I prefer summer.
Let's practice. Listen. Me too. I love it. Now you say it. Again. Me too. I love it.
Nice work. Part 16. Ask about feelings. Next tip. Ask about feelings.
This makes conversation deeper.
You can say, how do you feel? Are you happy?
Example. I finished my exam.
Oh, nice. How do you feel?
Let's practice. Listen. How do you feel?
Now you say it.
Again. How do you feel?
Perfect.
Part 17. Use why and because. Next tip. Use why and because.
This helps you explain.
Example. Why do you like tea?
Because it is relaxing.
Let's practice. Listen. Because it is relaxing.
Now you say it.
Again. Because it is relaxing.
Great. Very clear. Part 14. Talk about the future. Next tip. Talk about the future.
Simple future is easy.
Example. I will go to the market.
I will meet my friend.
Let's practice. Listen. I will meet my friend.
Now you say it. Again. I will meet my friend.
Nice.
Part 19. Use simple reactions. Next tip. Use reactions.
Small words, big impact.
Like, really?
That's great.
Oh no.
Example. I lost my phone.
Oh no, that's bad. Let's practice.
Listen. Oh no, that's bad.
Now you say it. Again. Oh no, that's bad.
Good job. Part 21. Practice short conversations. Now let's practice a full conversation.
Listen first.
Hi, how was your day?
It was good. I had a lot of work.
Oh, nice. What did you do?
I finished my project, then I relaxed.
That's great. How do you feel now?
I feel happy.
Now let's do it again.
This time, speak with us.
Ready?
Both.
Hi, how was your day? It was good. I had a lot of work. Oh, nice. What did you do? I finished my project, then I relaxed. That's great. How do you feel now? I feel happy. Excellent. You are improving.
Part 21. Use that sounds. Now let's learn a very natural phrase.
Yes, the phrase is, that sounds.
You can say, that sounds good. That sounds fun. That sounds interesting.
Example, I am going on a trip.
That sounds fun.
Let's practice. Listen. That sounds fun.
Now you say it.
Again. That sounds fun.
Great. Very natural English. Part 22. Ask when and where.
Next tip. Ask simple questions like when and where.
These questions help you continue the conversation.
Example, I have a meeting.
When is your meeting?
Or, where's your meeting?
Let's practice. Listen. When is your meeting?
Now you say it.
Again. When is your meeting?
Nice. Keep going.
Part 23. Use I think. Next phrase. I think.
This helps you share your opinion.
Example. I think this movie is good.
Or, I think English is important.
Let's practice. Listen. I think it is good.
Now you say it.
Again. I think it is good.
Perfect.
Part 24. Use maybe.
Next word, maybe.
This is useful when you are not sure.
Example, maybe I will go out today.
Maybe I will study later.
Let's practice. Listen. Maybe I will study later.
Now you say it.
Again. Maybe I will study later.
Very good. Part 25. Give simple suggestions. Next tip. Give suggestions.
You can say, let's.
Example. Let's go for a walk.
Let's watch a movie.
Let's practice. Listen. Let's go for a walk.
Now you say it.
Again. Let's go for a walk.
Nice. Friendly and easy.
Part 26. Use sounds good.
Next phrase. Sounds good.
This means you agree.
Example. Let's eat outside.
Sounds good. Let's practice. Listen. Sounds good. Now you say it. Again. Sounds good.
Excellent.
Part 27. Ask about free time. Next tip. Ask about free time.
This is a very common topic.
You can ask, what do you do in your free time?
Example answer. I watch videos and relax.
Let's practice. Listen. What do you do in your free time?
Now you say it.
Again. What do you do in your free time?
Great job.
Part 28. Use I usually.
Next phrase. I usually.
This is for habits.
Example. I usually drink tea in the morning.
I usually go to bed late.
Let's practice. Listen. I usually drink tea.
Now you say it.
Again. I usually drink tea.
Nice and simple. Part 29. Keep conversation balanced. Next tip. Keep balance.
Don't talk too much and don't stay silent.
Ask, then answer.
Example. I like music. What about you?
I like music too. I listen every day.
Let's practice. Listen. What about you?
Now you say it.
Again. What about you?
Perfect. Part 30. Full practice conversation.
Now let's do a full conversation.
First, listen.
Hi. What do you do in your free time?
I usually watch movies.
That sounds fun. What kind of movies?
I think action movies are exciting.
Nice. Maybe we can watch together sometime.
Sounds good.
Now speak with us.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi. What do you do in your free time? Amazing. You are speaking more confidently now.
Yes. Keep practicing like this every day.
Wrap up. Let's quickly review.
Today we learned that sounds, when and where, I think, maybe, let's, sounds good, free time questions, I usually, balanced conversation, full practice.
You are improving step by step.
Don't stop now. Keep going.
And remember, simple English is good English.
Now your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what do you usually do in your free time?
We would love to hear from you.
See you next time. Keep practicing and keep speaking.